This conference will now be recorded.
So this session I am discussing about how to control SE Linux port labeling. So previous sessions we studied about SE Linux. SE Linux will do labeling for the files and process. They have SE Linux label are there. So the SE Linux context and everything is there. So network traffic is also controlling by the SE Linux policy. So what it means is, so they are doing the port labeling for the network port also they are doing. So we can see that I am in a Linux system. So when I do ps hyphen is c hyphen grep http, so we can see the httpd label, SE Linux label we can see from this. So ps hyphen elf grep http. So we are going to do the, so we can see that http process having a label. So this is the label for this. They have a label like this. SE Linux label is there. So now similarly we know that files also, whatever file we are creating in the web server home directory. So if you go to web server home directory also, we can give ls-lz. So we can see this all the file having a matching context. So this is the type field of the label. So this all are matching. Similarly, we have to know there is a lay port also, like web servers are working on port number 80. So the common port and everything they have given here. So when we do the port label, so we can see manage command, so port -l, and we are grabbing HTTP. So we can see that HTTP port we have given 80 is already given. Maybe even 81 also they are given. 443 also they have added here. But we are adding this much port, only this SE Linux allow to work. So SE Linux port labels they are giving for this many ports. So we know, suppose I want to change the port number. So I know this is the server. So I can check my IP address of my server. So I have already installed a web server in this machine. So I can take this IP and I can check this in the browser. So I'm going to check in this browser. I'm taking this IP. So we have to check by default this IP will work, because sometimes the port I have to check it. So I have to know that how to check the port number. So we have to check the port number by vi etc web server configuration file we are checking, etc httpd conf httpd .conf file we are checking, and we can search for the port number 80 and all we can check. So this is the place we are changing the port number. By default it will be port number 80 only. By default the web server will work on port number 80. By default is port number 80 only. So now we have the port number 80 here, and I'm restarting the service httpd restart. So if you want to change the port number in this file, we have to change this listen port we have to change. So by default it is 80. So I'm just restarting the service. So now we can see this IP address. You can see that default website will come. So I have created a default website. For that, what I did, I installed the HTTPD server in the machine. I started the service, systemctl, I enabled it, and I went to the var www HTML file. I created one index.html file I created. After that, I changed the port number. By default is 80. It is working. But now I'm going to change the port number to 81. So the web server port you want to change means we have to go to etc httpd conf httpd.conf file. We have to check for the listen port. So we can just check for the listening port. We can see we have to see that listen port it will show. So it will show that listen port is 80. So we can change to, if we want to change the port number, we can change to 81. We can change because this port is also supported in the SE Linux. So we can see service httpd restart. So we can check this in SE Linux properties, SE manage port -l. So because this using SE Linux httpd, they have assigned this port, and each port they have given the labels. So we know that httpd process having port number 80, 81 all are given. So now I'm going to check this server in this browser. I'm going to check this. So this will not work because the port I changed now. The website will not be going to work. So the port is, website is not working. But when I do 81, So because I changed the port number in the server as 81, so we can see that when I change the port number to :81 and enter, so then this site is going to work because the port of the server, web server, I changed it. So because 80, 81 all are by default C Linux supporting. So C Linux associated these ports. So now I want to change the port number to 82. So I want to change to port number to, I'm going to the configuration file, etc httpd conf httpd.conf.def file. So I'm going to change the port number. I have to check for listen. Just search for capital L, listen. So we can see that the port number is 81. So I want to change the port number, listening port I want to change to 82. So when we change the port number 82 and I want to restart the service, so now this port number 81, it will not work. So now I am trying to change 82 here. So I'm going to change the port number to 82. So this also not working because SC Linux not supporting this port number 82. So when you can give SCmanage this command and we can check that how many ports they are supporting. SC Linux labels are there for this port also. So what we have to do, we have to change the port number. So we have to give adding a port number 82 we are adding in SC Linux. Then only this will be working. So I am going to add this SCmanage port -a-t httpt port.t. So we can see this is the same thing, label port -httpt port-t, and we are adding the port number 82 we are adding. So we are adding the port -a for adding. Suppose we want to delete means we can give -d for deleting. So we are adding this port for SC Linux because in the system already policies are mentioned like HTTPD supporting this much port. So we are adding an extra additional port we are adding, and we are checking this port now how many ports are supported. L means listing. So we can see the 82 port is also coming. Previously, as we remember, this one was not working, but in SC Linux I added that port also, I added for HTTP. So we have to check for 1 minute it will take. So make sure that service also restarted. So we can see that whenever give the 82 port also it is working. So we have to know that the C Linux is controlling the network traffic also, it is controlling. So if we suppose we change the port means we have to change this, we have to manage this through SC Linux also we have to do. So thanks for watching the session.